everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Siri. In this video, we are going to learn English through cooking. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, talking about cooking, I'm not a great cook, guys. I can make few recipes, that's it, out of which I'll be showing to all of you one of the recipes that I make, which is poha, and we are going to learn English through cooking, in which I'll be making poha and I'll show it to you guys. So let's get started. First, let me show you all the ingredients that we need in order to make poha. Come closer. We need poha, of course, the dried poha. We need some mustard seeds and cumin seeds, some peanuts, some curry leaves and chopped green chilies, turmeric, lemon juice, and this is homegrown coriander. Okay, so these are all the things that we need, and also oil and some salt. So these are all the ingredients that we need to make poha. So let's get started with the process. So first we have to rinse poha with some water to just make them soft. Okay, so these are the dried ones, right? So we have to make them soft by pouring some water on top of it, and also just mix them so that they become soft. Okay, if you need, just use some more water. Do not soak poha into the water, but just keep pouring water on top of it, and that's it. I mean, that water is enough for poha to just soften. Okay, so we'll just leave it like that for a while and take care of the rest of the process that we need in order to make poha. First, let's light the stove and let's take a pan and let it heat for a while. Okay, guys, I'm not a great cook, please don't judge me. I'm just showing whatever I know. Okay, please don't judge me. I'm just trying to explain the process of this, that's it. That's the only intention behind making this video, not to teach you guys how to cook. I know there are some great cooks out there. So let's check if it's hot or not. Yeah, it is. So let's pour some oil. I don't know the measurement, like I just go random. So after pouring the oil, let the oil heat for a while. Okay, let them heat, and once you feel that the oil is hot, we are going to add ground nuts. You call it ground nuts or peanuts, whatever you want, but yeah, we are going to add some ground nuts into this and let it fry in the oil for a while. So as you have seen, the ground nuts are a bit fried now, and after that we are going to add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Okay, after this we are supposed to add green chilies, which are of course going to pop out of the oil, so please be careful. And after that we are going to add curry leaves. So once these are fried, we are going to add turmeric and let the turmeric also fry with all these. Mix all of them together really well. So after this we are going to add in poha, which we have just poured water on. So the poha got softened and we are just going to add this poha now. Now mix everything well. Let everything combine into the poha. Now my brother has to taste this and let me know how it is going to be.
Wow.
And he's smiling behind the camera, saying that I don't want to taste it. But yeah, of course he has to taste this. Who else is going to taste this? You can't go anywhere, bro. You have to taste this and let me know how it is going to be. And we forgot to add one main thing, which is salt. See, it looks beautiful.
Everything looks beautiful.
But we should not judge a book by its cover, right? But I don't know how this is gonna taste. So once we mix everything really well, we are just going to add in some salt. What's that style called like this? What's that called? So we try and eat less spices in our home. Now mix everything well. It looks good, guys, to be honest. I did not expect this to be this good, but it looks good though. But we don't know how it tastes like. So let it be like that for a while. And we are just going to chop some coriander now. I mean, we have grown this in our home. So we are just going to chop this. I love coriander. I love the smell of coriander. I feel like adding coriander in everything. So yes, we are done with chopping. So now let's add some coriander. The more coriander, the better it is. But it has become a little bit more. Now I think we are done, guys. Pandu, don't smile. Now let's turn off the stove. And yeah, we are done. We are only left with one thing. We should just add some lemon juice into it, which just enhances the taste. Okay, I've already squeezed juice out of lemons. Now we are just going to add this lemon juice on top of it. And yes, give it a nice mix. And we are done, guys. I'm so happy that we have cooked so fast. And it looks good. To be honest, it really looks good. I don't know how is it going to taste. That will be taken care by my brother. He has to taste. I'll also let you know his reaction once he tastes this. So we are done with poha. Come closer and show how it looks like. It looks amazing. Now just wait. I'm just going to put it in a plate and give it to my brother, who is waiting to taste behind the camera.
I'm not waiting.
I mean, you love my cooking, right?
Who told you?
I know, brother. He has to taste this and let me know.
No.
Why, bro? And here we go. We have hot poha. I will be not tasting this. It has to be done by my brother. So I'll be right back. I'll get his reaction right now. Anna, tell me, how's it?
It's really nice, guys.
I mean, be honest.
To be honest,
It's nice.
it's really very nice.
Do you want me to cook again?
Yeah, I'd love to.
So, guys, I've showed you how to make poha. And I'm not recommending this recipe to you, but I just showed you the process that I cook. So I think it tastes good. You saw my brother's reaction. Of course, he teases me every single time that I don't cook well. But yeah, he still eats it. So yes, we are done with poha. Maybe coming videos, I'll show few recipes which do not require a lot of effort, but they are super healthy. I'll show such episodes very, very soon. But now let's stop it with poha itself. So this has to be tasted by my mom. So I'm waiting for her and my father as well. So I'm going to feed all my family with this poha. I'm just going to wait for their reactions and should see how is it going to be. This is not my first time cooking poha, guys. It's So I guess third or fourth time. So I'm pretty confident that it does taste good. So do not follow the recipe, but I hope you guys have understood everything that I've explained. I've just explained the process and the kind of words that I've used. I hope you guys have understood everything. I have explained everything in very simple English. So we are done with cooking, and the next video is going to be very, very soon. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself and do let me know in the comment section how did you like the video, and I would be more than happy to know that. Give this video a like, share it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, you take care. I will see you soon. Bye. కింద గ్యాస్ ఆన్ లేదు. It's hot or not? Yeah, it is. So, పండు అవును నిజంగా చూడొచ్చు, చేయబెట్టి చూడు.
ఇది కుకింగ్. నేను దూరంగా తీస్తాను.
దగ్గర నువ్వు
ఎట్లుంటుంది మరి కుకింగ్?